Welcome to Crystal Creek Apartments up here in Elum. It is Elum's newest and best apartment community that's being built. Super easy access to I-90 and freeway heading over to Seattle. But here I want to give you a tour, a sneak peek of what a 2-bedroom apartment is going to look like. Welcome to Crystal Creek's 2-bedroom apartment. As you enter your home, you are going to be greeted by a nice, big, spacious, open kitchen and dining area. It's going to have a fantastic island peninsula sticking out here with your sink overlooking into the awesome living room. Your living room does have its own private balcony, which has wonderful forest and big, beautiful trees outside. As you move down the hallway, you're gonna have a great laundry closet. So full washer and dryer inside your home. You're not having to share with anyone else. You have a great size bathroom here as well. Obviously, not quite done yet, but they are getting everything situated and ready for construction. Another full-size guest bedroom. Something I love about these apartments is all of the windows. So check out the dual windows here, both opening in the bedroom. Nice size closet. And then back out here, we will head into the master suite. The master does have a great size closet. Again, all those natural windows, lots of natural light, which is super awesome. And they both open, which is awesome. And then here you will have your very own master suite bathroom. Nice countertop straight ahead with big mirror, and then your stand-up shower. Super looking forward to showing you these as they continue to move along in the construction process.